discussion on some of the dozens of new laws taking effect in 2023. Tonight, attorney Bryan Waldman from the Sinus law firm takes a look at a new law surrounding service animals and how they differ from emotional support animals.
One of the laws that the legislature passed that will take effect in 2023 has to do with the training of service animals. We currently have a law in Michigan that says places that are open up to the public, like restaurants, can't discriminate against people who have service animals or ask them to leave or prevent them from coming into the public place because of the fact that they do have a service animal. And the law was expanded because it essentially recognized, or the legislature recognized, that to train service animals, you have to take them into the real world. And so now not only the owners will be allowed to have the protections of this law, but also the people that train service animals. And to understand this law, it's really important to understand what is a service animal. A service animal is different than an emotional support, companion, or therapy animal. A service animal is a dog or a miniature horse that's trained to do a specific task to help someone with a recognized disability. And so the distinction would be, an emotional support animal might help calm someone who has, say, PTSD, but a therapy or service animal, would actually be trained to do a specific task. For example, if the person was having a PTSD episode or maybe even anticipation of one, the therapy dog or animal would take that person to a safe place, actually perform a task, as opposed to just be there for emotional support or to calm the person. And the other important thing to know about this law is for business owners, you can, under certain exceptions or certain situations, ask the therapy animal to leave, or the owner or the trainer of the therapy animal, if the therapy animal is not housebroken, or if the animal is out of control and the owner or trainer is not taking affirmative steps to control the animal. And then people also ought to know that it is obviously completely inappropriate to fake that it's a service animal. There are serious penalties if you do. I believe the penalty is a $1,000 fine the first time someone is caught faking that they're with a service animal to get the animal into a public place. And I believe it's $2,000 for the second offense.